Today we are looking at a very nice, fresh off the truck, Berg 1830 large high capacity mixer. This unit has a heavy I-beam stand that elevates this unit 24 3/4 of an inch. So all of the measurements on this unit would be in addition to the 24 3/4 of an inch. This unit has a VFD control that was pre-programmed to do special things with the mixer for concrete additives. This unit has this pull-out drawer here. I believe that was used to cover the mixer hopper, the inlet hopper, I should say, when not in use. This unit has this nice flip-up door. As you can see, the unit is dusty and dirty. It was used in concrete additives, but it is not caked up inside. It was used in dry additives. Unit has the pneumatically controlled discharge gate. As you can see, it is a model 1830. This is a model year 2022, so this is a very late model mixer in very good condition overall. I don't see any issues with the unit, no structural fatigue, anything like that. Very, very nice setup. The idlers and main drive sprocket look to be in great shape. This unit spent its entire life inside. Trying to show you what I can there on the idlers and sprockets. This unit is equipped with a 7.5 three-phase electric motor that is dual voltage. This unit does not have to be used in conjunction with the VFD control. It can be used independently. A general walk around here of this unit. As I said, this unit's fresh off the truck, so you can save the lead time that the manufacturers all have now and save on new machine price, of course. This unit has a 68-inch inlet from the ground here up to the inlet and a 24-inch discharge. Again, add 24 3/4 of an inch to any of those dimensions. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.